Are you looking to make an eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube video? Creating thumbnails that grab viewers' attention is crucial for attracting more clicks and views. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create stunning thumbnails using a popular design tool, Canva. So all you have to do is go to canva.com and then you can sign up for free and open this website. So we're going to start from there. With your account setup, you're going to go to the search option and we're going to be searching for YouTube thumbnails. So you just type in YouTube thumbnails and then you'll see the auto-generated search result, and then you can tap the one with the YouTube icon list. So you're going to tap on that and you're going to find all amazing eye-catching thumbnails in here. So all you have to do is look the one that fits in your niche. If you're just an education channel, the examples. If you're a fitness channel, the examples here. If you're a vlog channel, so many examples here you can use. If you're a music channel, you can use these templates, customize them to fit whatever your video is about, and then you can use it for your video. So we're going to be choosing any that catches our eye right now, and then we customize that to show you how things are done. So I'm going to be using one that I'm using recently, so it's going to be this "Add More Money" template. So you just tap on that, tap on the template you want to use, and it brings this. So you go to customize this template. So if you have the ones with paid, they can be having images that are need you to pay for them. So all you have to do is delete those images, and then you can upload your own images or use the Canva free images as we're going to be showing you on the video. So this is the thumbnail, and this black image is the first one I'm going to remove because it is having the Canva watermark in the background. So to remove the watermarks you have to pay, but we're going to first remove it because we want to use the free ones. So you just right click and then you go to detach image from background. As you can see, there's a watermark, and then you delete it. Option up, you delete it, and then we're going to be looking for an image that kind of fits our YouTube idea, our YouTube thumbnail video idea. So you go to elements and then you just searching whatever you want to. So I'm going to be looking for an image and I'm going to be putting that in. So you can search whatever you want, or you can just go to uploads and then upload a picture of you, or a picture of what you're talking about, or a picture of what the idea is about, and then you can just insert it in this template. So we're going to show after the picture is inserted. When you choose your image, all you have to do is go to place it as the background. So I'm going to be adjusting, so you play around with these things. Also, I'm going to be removing this one because they have watermarks, so you have to make sure everything you're using is free unless you paid for that pre version. So we're going to be adjusting this and we're going to be changing the name. So all you have to do is highlight or just put the cursor where you want to edit, and then you just delete and edit. So I'm going to be putting YouTube thumbnail in here. I'm going to reduce the size. So all you have to do is just work with what you have here, and then you can change colors, you can change the words, you can change the styles, the placements. So you can do a lot of things with this app, and it's so much easy to use. So I'm going to be editing this to thumbnail, and I'm going to be removing money, making it Canva, and then we see what we come up with. So changing this to Canva, I'm going to use an element. So I'm still going to go to element and then just search for Canva logo. So just type in logo. If you're on YouTube, there's so many in here, TikTok, Instagram. So I'm going to remove this Canva because it doesn't fit. So I'm going to delete and then bring this Canva here. So just reducing the sound, it's just dragging these corners of the element, and then you are done to go. So this is what I've ended up with, and as you can see, it was in a short time. You can do this on your phone or your computer because there is a Canva app, so you get that on your phone. So you can do this so much easily, and then you can just share this to your phone and download it. So this is what I've ended up with, and we're going to be exporting it. So you can go to download by clicking the share in the right corner. So we're going to be clicking that, and then down you have download, and then you can choose either to have PNG, suggested one, but you can't have JPG, which is easy to share. So we're going to go with the suggested one because why not? So we're going to go with the suggested one because it's good, it keeps the resolution very well. And then you click download, and this downloads to your phone or your computer. In my case it's my computer, so it's going to be downloading to my computer, and then you can just upload this in your YouTube studio and put it as a thumbnail to your video. So that is how you can create thumbnails, so much easy, trending thumbnails for your YouTube videos using Canva, which is a free software to use by everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more amazing videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.